in the room. So for everybody else, we were there was three of us that were in like a room. We shared an office together, and it was always fun in that room. And I remember distinctively having a conversation with like at least my two roommates, but then a couple of other people that were on in the team, and we were talking about like the penetrations of like how everything was going to have some software component to it. And I remember one of the guys that worked there, he's like, that's not true. You still have a lot of stuff that's not going to be impacted by software. And I'm like, name one thing that doesn't have software, right? And he's like, the cotton gin. And I'm like, I don't know that we use cotton gin anymore. But it's so interesting to see it like 6 years later, we're basically seeing that same thing come to life, right? Like there is literally nothing that I can think of that isn't touched by software now. Like software's got its hands on everything. Taco Bell. You can't go anywhere now. Like, you can't do anything. You can't even order food anymore without software. I was
Absolutely